What if I told you you can run Trellis 2 on just 4GB VRAM and generate detailed 3D models like this? No high-end GPU needed. Left side, the input images. Right side, the AI-generated 3D model rotating in real time. In this tutorial, I'll show you the full installation, workflow, and settings. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Go to the description and open the installation guide. Update your NVIDIA drivers. Now, open the download link. This window will open on your screen. Scroll down and click the release button. The download will now begin. Download speed depends on your internet connection. Once downloaded, click on the file. Extract it where you want ComfyUI installed. Right-click the file and choose Extract. Select your installation folder. Click Select Folder, then Extract. When extraction is complete, open the folder. Run the first file. Installation may take a few minutes. Installation is now complete. Open the guide and go to Step 3. Here, we install TorchPak. Open your ComfyUI Easy Install folder. Go to the add-on folder. Open the TorchPak folder. Run the second file. TorchPak is now installing. Once complete, close this window. Open the installation guide again. Step 3 is complete. Now move to Step 4. Open the add-on folder again. Run the flash attention file. Once finished, close this window. Open the folder where you installed it. Here you will see a file called Update Easy Install. Double-click this file. It will automatically update your installation. This may take a few minutes. Once it is finished, close this window. Now open the add-ons folder. Here you will find Trellis 2 required file. Run this file. It will install all required Torch and CUDA files. If any file is missing, it will fix it automatically. Once the installation is complete, close this window. Now download the file from the link in the description. Download this file. After downloading, go to your Downloads folder, copy this file. Now go back to your ComfyUI. Open the add-ons folder. Paste the file here. Run the file, simply double-click it. It will automatically download all Trellis models. You do not need to download anything manual. This will take some time, because the models are around 15 to 16 GB. Once it is finished, close this window. Now go back to the ComfyUI Easy Install folder. First of all, we will open the flash attention file. It will open. We will go to this link. You will find this link in the description. In this, we will download this workflow. Simply click on Download. We have 4 reference pictures, which we will test. We will download them too. After downloading, we will go to Download folder. So these are our reference pictures. And this is our workflow. Simply drag and drop. This is our workflow. If there is any confusion, there is an instruction. You can add as much geometry as you want. In this, you can add it. We will do 5,000. Here you will find the instruction. If you want a tutorial, then you can come to this channel. Here, you have to upload your reference pictures. So, let's see the ones which we have downloaded. We will upload the first one. In this, you have to set your model. You don't need any other settings. Let's run this workflow. Simply click on Run. So this generation will start. Here you can see the usage of your VRAM. It is at 3.8, less than 4 GB. Here you can keep it on side, and we will keep watching it. It is still on 3.9 because my screen recording is running. It is still below 4 GB. Our first step is completed. Now we are on the next step. Our GPU memory is not over 4 GB yet. Now we are on the last step. Our generation is completed. Let's see the result. You can see the texture. Every image takes 5 minutes to generate. Now go to main folder of ComfyUI. Open this output folder. Here, you can see our all 4 ready-to-use 3D model files. Select all these files and drag into Blender. Let's move it to the side. Let's open the material and turn it on. Let's see the result. Let's see the texture and quality. We have generated 4 models, only under 4 GB VRAM. Let's check the geometry. Let's turn on statics. Select any model, and here on right side, you can see the details of mesh. Let's check the topology. Press Tab and go to Edit mode. Here, you can see our model has very good and low poly geometry. You can check all model one by one, and that's how you can run Trellis 2 in ComfyUI on only 4GB VRAM and generate high-quality 3D models. If you found this workflow useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. More optimized AI workflows coming soon. See you next time.